Welcome back, friends. How are you? I'm Shubham and you're watching the Wrestling Battle. Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you about the UFC next event which is coming on this Saturday, 20th June. Friends, this event is going to happen at Apex Center, Las Vegas, Nevada in USA. Friends, UFC President Dana White revealed 12 matches for this event and I'm going to tell you about every matches in details one by one. Friends, but before watching this video, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get every latest updates, either it will be of pro wrestling or wrestling world. So friends, let's start this video. So friends, first of all, I am going to tell you about the prelims match card details of this event. So coming to the first match, and it is going to happen in between Clay Guda versus Bobby Green for the lightweight bout. So here you can check the stats of both Clay Guda and Bobby Green. Look at the reach. Clay Guda reach is 177.8 cm while the Bobby Green reach is 180.3 cm. This is going to be an interesting match. So coming to the next match, and it is going to happen in between Tassia Torres versus Brianna Van Buren for the women's stabweight bout. Here you can check the stats of both Tassia Torres and Brianna Van Buren. So coming to the next match, and it is going to happen in between Courtney Cassie versus Gillian Robertson for the women's flyweight bout. Here you can check the stats of both Courtney Cassie and Gillian Robertson. So coming to the next match, and this is going to happen in between Matt Frevola versus Frank Kameko for the lightweight bout. Here the stats of both Matt Frevola and Frank Kameko. The next match is going to happen in between Joe Salaki versus Austin Howard for the lightweight bout. Here you can check the stats of both Joe Salaki and Austin Howard. The next match is going to happen in between Roxanne Modafferi versus Lauren Murphy for the women's flyweight bout. Here the stats of both Roxanne Modafferi and Lauren Murphy. Next match is going to happen between Marc-Andre Barriault versus Oscar Pichota for the middleweight bout. So this is the stats of both Marc-Andre Barriault and Oscar Pichota. So friends, these were the prelims match card details. Now I am moving on the main card matches. So coming to the first match of main card, and this is going to happen in between Jim Miller versus Roosevelt Roberts for the catchweight bout. This is the stats of both Jim Miller and Roosevelt Roberts. The next match is going to happen in between Bilal Muhammad versus Layman Good for the welterweight bout. This is the stats of both Bilal Muhammad and Layman Good. So coming to the next match, and this is going to happen in between Raquel Pennington and Marion Renew for the women bantamweight bout. So here the stats of both Raquel Pennington and Marion Renew. Next match will be the co-main event of the night, and this is going to happen in between Josh Emmett versus Shane Burgos for the featherweight bout. So here the stats of both Josh Emmett and Shane Burgos. Look at the reach of Josh Emmett, 177.8 cm, while the Shane Burgos reach is 191.8 cm. This is going to be an amazing match. I am very excited for this match. So coming to the main event of the night, and this is going to happen in between Curtis Blade versus Alexander Volkov for the heavyweight bout. UFC hyping this match from many days, and I am very excited for this match. So here the stats of both Curtis Blades and Alexander Volkov. Look at the reach. Curtis Blades' reach is 203.2 cm, while the Alexander Volkov reach is 203.2 cm. This is going to be an amazing match. These are the 12 matches which is going to happen on this Saturday 20th June at Apex Center. I am very excited for these matches, especially for the main event which is going to happen in between Blades versus Volkov. Which match you are excited for? Please do comment in the comment section. Friends, this is all over from this video. If you want to get every latest update regarding pro wrestling or wrestling world, you can also visit on our website. Our website name is wrestlingbattle.com. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Please do like this video, and we will meet in our next video. Please take care of yourself, stay at home, and for now, bye bye.